Hey there, money savers, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered why your wallet seems to get lighter while your dreams of making money online feel heavier, you're not alone. Today we're diving into the 8 common habits that drain your wallet and how you can break free from them. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with some practical tips to not only save your hard-earned cash, but also find ways to make money online. So, let's jump right in. Habit 1. Impulse buying. Alright, starting off at number 1, impulse buying. Did you know that studies show nearly 60% of shoppers make unplanned purchases? It's all too easy to fall into the trap of just this once, whether it's that cute pair of shoes or the latest gadget. Example. Imagine this: you're scrolling through your phone, and that flashy ad for the newest smartwatch pops up. Before you know it, you've clicked buy now. But wait, what if you redirected that money into a savings account or invested it in a side hustle? Tip. Next time you feel that urge, pause and ask yourself, do I really need this? You'd be surprised how often the answer is no. Habit 2. Dining out excessively. Moving on to number 2, dining out excessively. Eating out can quickly turn into a money pit. According to a study by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average American spends over $3,000 a year on dining out. Example. Let's say you grab coffee and lunch on weekdays added up, and that's nearly $300 a month. Instead, try meal prepping on Sundays. It's not only healthier but can save you a ton of cash. Tip. Try cooking a few meals at home each week and challenge yourself to only eat out once. Your wallet will thank you. Habit 3. Subscription overload. Coming in at number 3, subscription overload. We love our streaming services, but did you know that the average household subscribes to at least 4 services? Example. AIM. Think about it: Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, and that online fitness class you never use. Those subscriptions can add up to over $1,000 a year without you even noticing. Tip. Take a look at your subscriptions and cancel what you don't use. You might find you're saving more than you thought. Habit 4. Not comparing prices. Next up at number 4, not comparing prices. You wouldn't believe how much money people leave on the table just because they don't shop around. Example. Imagine buying a new laptop from a popular store without checking prices online. That same model might be $200 cheaper at another retailer. Tip. Use price comparison websites or apps to find the best deals. It only takes a few minutes and could save you a significant chunk of change. Habit 5. Buying brand names. At number 5, we have buying brand names. We all love a good brand, but let's be real, many store brands are just as good, if not better. Example. Big sample. A study by Consumer Reports found that generic brands often perform just as well as their name brand counterparts. Why spend more for a label? Tip. Try switching to store brands for groceries and household items. You might be shocked at how much you can save. Habit 6. Forgetting to budget. Sliding into number 6, forgetting to budget. If you're not tracking your spending, how can you know where your money is going? Example. Let's say you want to save for a vacation. Without a budget, you might end up splurging on unnecessary things that eat into your travel fund. Tip. Use budgeting apps or old-school spreadsheets to keep track of your income and expenses. It'll help you see the big picture and stay on track. Habit 7. Avoiding negotiations. At number 7, avoiding negotiations. It can feel awkward, but negotiating can save you a lot of money. Example. Whether it's negotiating your salary or haggling for a better price on a car, many people leave money on the table simply because they don't ask. Tip. Next time you're making a big purchase or starting a new job, don't be afraid to ask for a better deal. You might be surprised at what you can get. Habit 8. Not taking advantage of rewards programs. And finally, at number 8, not taking advantage of rewards programs. Many people miss out on free money just by not signing up. Example. Guzzble. If you're a frequent shopper at a grocery store, their loyalty program could save you money on future purchases or even offer cashback. Tip. Sign up for rewards programs at places you shop often. It's an easy way to earn discounts or cashback on what you're already buying. So there you have it, 8 common habits that drain your wallet and some practical tips to turn things around. By being mindful of these habits, you can save money and even make room in your budget for online opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making and saving money. What habits have you noticed in your life? Share them in the comments below. Until next time, keep hustling and keep saving. Bye for now.